What's up, guys? Good morning. How are you guys? It's another beautiful day. I'm vlogging my second Vlogmas video today. I'm just woken up. Maybe AJ woke up earlier than me, and you know, yeah. So I'm going downstairs to take breakfast, and today I'm hosting. Today I have my sister is coming today, so. Yeah, this is the first time she's coming since I came back to Kenya. So, yeah, today I have a lot to do. I have laundry to do. I have cooking I have to do. I have a baby to look after. And I have myself to rest today. I've been having a very busy week. Going to the village, going to town. I've gone to town so many times. I have so many errands. And my body is just starting everywhere. Let's go. I take breakfast, then we start our day. Yup. Yeah. So let me show you how I do it, especially on Sunday when I don't have nannies. AJ is refusing to sleep. Oh God. Baby, sleep. Sleep. He's refusing to sleep. We are doing both today, hand wash and machine. Sometimes I don't like my deras being washed with machine. I prefer them unwashed because the machine tends to like stretch them. I don't know why. And also there are some clothes I don't like being washed with machine. So we are doing both. My nanny did not go off today actually, so we decided to do the cleaning today. So what we are going to do is we are cleaning some of the clothes with the machine because there are a lot, like especially mine, and other ones we are going to do them unwashed. So let's start. I'm going to put the setting of mixed fabric because I'm not separating the clothes, so I just want them to be washed like mixed fabric. The house, we have come out to sunbask a little bit, so it's somehow windy. After that, I decided to cook some lunch. Nothing fancy today, just something warm, simple, and made with love. Yeah. The baby is sleeping. Sleeps so well. Yeah. So guys, I've decided to I have some things that I'm supposed to do here on my laptop. I've not been doing them. So yeah, this is me trying to finish up what I started and I've not finished. Yeah, so it's a full day. I have a lot of things to do, definitely. Yeah, and when they say that sometimes like motherhood comes with a lot of responsibilities. Nowadays I find myself busy, and you have to balance everything. Create time for yourself, for the baby, for everyone, husband, my other families, my friends. Yeah. So you just have to balance. And there is also your life that you have to live. Yeah. So as I wait for the rice to cook and the chickens, I decided to do some work. Lunch is ready for us to eat. Ju, 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 do, 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 do. Juju. What? Mama? What? 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 Shoo shoo. Shoo shoo. Shoo shoo. What? What? tell me you're tired without telling me. So I'm going to fold these clothes. I'm supposed to fold them and put them in the wardrobe. Yeah, the clothes, they're here. Most of my deras. Yeah. Yeah. I have to fold. I'm so tired, but I have to fold today because tomorrow I'm busy. The other tomorrow I'm busy too. So I'm literally busy. Busy lady. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, like I said, I'm going to do Vlogmas series for the Christmas. So you can make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel and click that button, so that it can update you when I upload anything. And like I said, I'll be posting a Vlogmas series. I promise to be consistent honestly, that Christmas. At some point I won't have a nanny because my nanny will be going for Christmas. So but Mr. Timan will be definitely around to help me. Yeah, my husband will be around to help me. So yeah. So guys, it's already at night. Yeah, like I said, please make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Content will be coming back. Yeah. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah. So see you guys.